We don't have to always be first. We take our time to get things right. Our goal? To become the best in class. In 2018, Mercedes-Benz brought the new Sprinter. 2019, HYMER launched it for the motorhomes. 2020, we developed the Aerokit exclusively for our customers. 2021 was a huge success, and we were asked more than once if we could make it available for other vans. The answer is no. We build the Aerokit exclusively for you, our customers. Made of pure rim in OEM quality here in Germany, and we are going to customize it in your favorite colors. Vehicles can be shipped worldwide. Make it yours. Pre-order your new HYMER with Aerokit now. More info at www.palmo.de. Palmo, the benchmark.